So, what is a centrifugal force? There is no such force as centrifugal force, but since the object in circular motion has a tendency to break out of its circular pathway and move in a linear direction along the tangent, we can think of the centrifugal force which is in the opposite direction of the centripetal force. For example, if a string is keeping this object in the circular motion, we can think of centrifugal force as the force, the reaction force that this object applies to the string. So it is in the same, it is collinear with centripetal force, but in the opposite direction. So this is, I can say this is centrifugal force, but this is centripetal force. Again, here is the same thing. So by Newton's third law, the object applies such force to the cause of the centripetal force. Which means, for example, if we have a string, this string is causing this centripetal force to the object and keeping this object in the circular path. By Newton's third law, the object applies this force to the string. So the centrifugal force is applied to the string, or the centrifugal force applies to the cause of the centripetal force. Either the centripetal force is the normal force, or the string force, or the gravity, whatever it is. The reaction force is the centrifugal force. Okay, this is a multiple choice question. Centrifugal force is an apparent outward force during circular motion. It has been described as a reaction force according to Newton's third law. Which of the following statement is most likely to be correct regarding centrifugal force? Choice A says centrifugal force exists only for uniform circular motion, not non-uniform circular motion. It is incorrect because we have all types of motion, and centrifugal force is a reaction force to centripetal force. We have it both in uniform circular motion and non-uniform circular motion. So choice A is incorrect. Choice B says centrifugal force exists only when tension or normal force provides centripetal acceleration. No, centripetal acceleration can be centripetal acceleration can be caused by any type of force. It is not always normal force or tension force. It can be gravitational force or any other, or electrostatic force. Okay, so choice B is incorrect. Centrifugal force always acts anti-parallel to the centripetal force vector. Anti-parallel means collinear and in the opposite direction. For example, if you have a vector 3i, the vector negative 4i is anti-parallel to it. They are collinear, but it's in the opposite direction. So this sentence and this statement is correct because centrifugal force always acts anti-parallel to the centripetal force. Yes. Centrifugal force is a result of repulsive electrostatic interaction. No, it's not correct, because the source of this force, it can be friction, it can be normal force. It's not a repulsive electrostatic interaction. No, it's not correct.